Welcome on the How To. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how to videos. So now let's go. How to make buttermilk, learn about the many uses and options. It's pretty easy to know how to make buttermilk, but you can also get into a world of knowledge if you're willing to spend some time searching the web for information on making it. In this short article, you'll learn a few basics about buttermilk so that you can get started making your own. What exactly does buttermilk have to do with cooking? The answer to this question will help you determine what steps are necessary to complete the task of making your own. What is buttermilk? It's a milk product that's made by combining the curds and whey from the curd that come from the curds of an average cow. It's been likened to cottage cheese in that it's made from curds, but the texture is very different, much more so than ordinary cottage cheese. So, why are the curds that come out of the cow's curd better than the ones made from other sources? Well, the curds are extremely rich in calcium, magnesium and other nutrients that contribute to good health. Also, it contains a high amount of protein, making it great for protein shakes and other meal replacement drinks. How do I use buttermilk? There are a few different ways to use buttermilk in a variety of recipes. For example, you could substitute it for cream cheese. If you want to add some creaminess to a cup of coffee or tea, you can add a bit of buttermilk to make it seem richer and fuller. You can even use it as a substitute for yogurt in baked treats like banana bread or other breads. How to make cured buttermilk. If you're looking to replace the milk in your recipes with something less costly, you can find some great recipes online that call for buttermilk, including recipes for ice cream and custards. A simple substitute would be the curds and whey that come from a regular cow's curd. However, it's not recommended to make a batch too soon, as the curds are soft and malleable and can easily separate from the whey. The longer the curds stay in the whey, the firmer and harder they become. In this case, the curds and whey are best used as a one-time use. How to cure your buttermilks. When you have a hard, dry buttermilk, you can use it to create a sweet pudding. In order to achieve the most moist, go for your pudding, boil the curds and then add some of the curd mixture to the remaining milk. Next, add the sugar, optional, in the last part of the liquid before serving. A nice tart topping could also be added to top of the mixture. How to get the best value for your money. When you're ready to buy buttermilk, be sure to get the best quality possible. The best place to look for quality buttermilk is at a reliable online market, where you'll get all the information you need to make a well-informed decision. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how to.